The overall goal of this procedure is to integrate a robot into a virtual environment library and then use the robot for stroke therapy. This is accomplished by first creating a wrapper class to extend the Haptics library and then integrating the wrapper class into the Haptics library. The next step is to create a wrapper class to extend the graphics library and then integrating this wrapper class into the graphics library. Once the wrapper classes are complete, the H3DAPI interface is used to set up a finite state machine for testing stroke patients. The integrated robot is then used to help rehabilitate stroke patients.
The main advantage of this technique is that you no longer have to write a different software application for every robot. Also, these applications can be run by scientists across the globe, regardless of what robot their lab uses.
This method can help answer key questions in the rehab robotics and motor control fields, such as to what degree our nervous system might benefit from error augmentation.
This method can provide insight into stroke impairments as well as further our understanding of healthy function.
Generally, stroke patients new to rehabilitation robotics need to overcome certain hurdles, such as learning to grip the handle.
We first had the idea for this method when we realized that we needed a robot with a large operational workspace and gravity compensation.
We also wanted to minimize rewriting software so that future graduate students could benefit from those who had come before without redoing the same work.
This video gives instructions for integrating a whole arm manipulation or WAM robot with the open source code available at www.h3dapi.org. To integrate a new robot into the Haptics library,